Let's check this out in the church courtyard. There's a little bird who has fallen out of the nest. I think she might be injured. She doesn't appear to be able to fly. She's just been walking around out here in the courtyard. You can probably hear another bird in the background. I think that's the mama. She's mad at me for being out here with the video camera. Poor little bird. The mama's over in that tree over there yelling at me. I know, you're upset. All right, I'm leaving. I'm getting out of here. I didn't touch the baby. About 10 minutes later. There's the nest, and it looks like the baby has managed to get back up in the nest somehow. I have no idea how that happened, but there's a bird up there. What do you know? That bird might be part ninja. Wow. Look at there. The mama's not screaming so much anymore. It got up there, Nadia.
I don't think so.
It's a miracle, I'm telling you.
I don't think so.
It's a baby bird miracle. Don't deny a miracle, doubter.
If it got up, yeah. I mean, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out.
Let's call it a miracle. Come on.
Okay.
Hallelujah! Who doesn't love a good bird miracle every now and then, huh? Yes.